Shopify versus Ecwid, which one is right for you? If you're considering starting an online store, you've likely heard of Shopify and Ecwid. Both are powerful tools, but which one should you choose? Let me break it down for you. Shopify, a full e-commerce solution. Shopify is a robust platform designed for those who want a dedicated online store. It's perfect for businesses of all sizes, whether you're just starting out or managing a large-scale enterprise. Shopify offers ease of use, a user-friendly interface to build your store quickly, customization, thousands of themes and apps to make your store unique, built-in features, inventory management, payment processing, and shipping integrations. Pricing for Shopify, basic plan, $19 per month, ideal for small businesses. Shopify plan, $149 per month, great for growing businesses. Advanced plan, $299 per month, for large operations needing detailed reporting and advanced features. Ecwid, e-commerce flexibility. Ecwid is an e-commerce tool designed to integrate with your existing website or social media page. If you already have a website and don't want to rebuild it, Ecwid is for you. It allows you to add a store anywhere, turn any site into an online store with simple integration, sell on social media, seamlessly connect to platforms like Instagram and Facebook, multilingual support, reach a global audience with automatic translations. Pricing for Ecwid, free plan, for beginners who want to test the waters, limited features. Venture plan, $21 per month, for small businesses. Business plan, $39 per month, designed for scaling businesses. Unlimited plan, $89 per month, provides advanced features and priority support. Who should use Shopify? If you're starting from scratch and need a complete e-commerce platform with all the bells and whistles, Shopify is your best choice. It's particularly suited for businesses planning to grow significantly and need a professional online presence. Who should use Ecwid? If you already have a website or prefer selling on social media, Ecwid is ideal. It's cost-effective and easy to integrate, perfect for small to medium-sized businesses that value flexibility. Why wait? Start your online store today. Whether you choose Shopify or Ecwid, you're taking the first step toward building a thriving online business. Check out the links in the description to explore Shopify and Ecwid, and find the one that suits your needs. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides on growing your online business.